The present bill is intended to regulate the collection of this cess at the same rates as at present under the authority of a statute. Full stop. There has been some doubt expressed in recent times about the propriety of government levying this cess on the basis of the Central Excises and Salt Act and the rules thereunder. Full stop. An opinion has been given that it would be better to put the levy on a statutory basis. Full stop. This is one of the reasons for the present bill. Full stop. The second comma and what I consider the more important object comma is to lay down in the act itself the purposes for which the sums so collected should be utilized. Full stop. The House is well aware that we have similar cesses on the production of some other commodities which are collected comma and after meeting the administrative expenses comma the proceeds expended on the promotion of those particular industries. Full stop. I may mention comma for example comma the cess on tea comma coffee comma rubber comma for the development of these respective industries and the marketing of such products. Full stop. We have also the example of the cess on coal levied in the interest of coal mine labor welfare and conservation and safety in coal mines. Full stop. Quite recently comma an act has been passed that a cess shall be levied on mill cloth with the object of assisting and encouraging khadi and other cottage industries. Full stop. The present measure comma as I have explained comma is a simple one. Full stop. The cess is to be levied and spent for the regulation and the development of the salt industry in a scientific and planned manner. Full stop. I would like to refer comma at this stage comma to the salt advisory committee comma which is consulted by the government of India on problems relating to the salt industry. Full stop. The committee also includes representatives of the central government. Full stop.